Purple.
Yeah, we have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Norwalk Robotics spinning, aiming, landing their shot. VV Robotics robot in place. In zone. 30686 moving, shooting. No, they're still on the red base. 19938 moving them off the red base there. And discussions going on between the teams on what they're doing because the blue robot is on the blue robot. 2 red robots operating independently. Red ahead on points at Auton.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
And away we go. VV Robotics trying to release the gate for the red classifiers. Scoop up artifacts, coming in and scoring. The very nicely indexed Norwalk Robo Warriors team picking up artifacts, moving to their 3 classification points, and scoring as well. Blue Alliance takes aim, and the game announcer 30686 spinning around again. Knights of the ping pong table shooting 3, landing 2. Nicely done. Electrolytes trying to get aim on 30686 shoots, goes wide on all 3 of their shots. Coming up and shooting. Norwalk executing strategy from long shots. Blue shooting wide on the left this time. I saw a lot of artifacts leave the field. Norwalk continuing to run up the score for red. We've got about a 40-50 point lead. VV Robotics releasing the blue gate. And that might be a call on them. VV Robotics now releasing the red gate. Blue robot going into place in the loading zone, picking up artifacts 30686. They seem to have found the rhythm, but not quite their target yet. VV Robotics landing in place. Norwalk shooting 3, missing 1, but continuing to increase their lead. Oh no, look, blue has caught up to red and has surpassed them. Electrolytes and Knights of the ping pong table finding their rhythm. VV Robotics lining up, shooting, landing 2, missing 1. Blue, I think they're keeping up pace, a little bit more in accuracy. They've got 4 that they just shot. End game time. Very close game, folks. 108 to 104 against blue leading. It's going to come down to parking. Call on red. They move to park. And all robots are parked.
The Red Alliance takes the victory with a score of 129 to 183. Upward motion for all 2 teams on red. 4 ranking points means 19116 will fly into the top 10.